Afghanistan is my country number 110. It was really nice to visit one of the oldest mosques in the Islamic world, the Blue Mosque of Herat. The most amazing part is the mosque was built in 12th century. Every blue tile that you see was made by hand.
From Khwaja Abdullah, he was a really famous poet from Herat.
Today is my day 5 in Afghanistan, and I was looking forward to see the Great Mosque of Herat, which also known as the Blue Mosque. This is the biggest mosque in Herat, Afghanistan. On Friday, they have thousands and thousands of prayer coming here to pray. The design actually reminds me of, let me think, the one in Uzbek. Oh, Registan. Yeah, remind me of Registan. It's beautiful. Can you see it? It's full of the blue tiles. And then it has a shape, square shape in the middle. It is a huge place here. It's windy here, so my scarf is always off. So we have to watch out here because it's a mosque, so it's more conservative. So you need to make sure that your scarf is on. And I'm not sure you see my dress. This is from Afghanistan. It's a traditional dress I got in Kabul. Whew. I actually like the tiles work a lot. And I was told that this is from 12th century. And over here, it was a temple before it became a masjid. Before it turned out to be a mosque, it was a temple. And sometimes when they have funeral here, they might close this section. So today, we are lucky that we got in, even though there's a funeral going on. I double-checked online and I was right. The Blue Mosque of Herat and the Registan of Samarkand in Uzbekistan are the produce of the same Timurid architecture tradition, created by the same ruling dynasty, by the same school of architect, the tile makers and calligraphy. Isn't it amazing? They are architecture siblings from the Timurid dynasty. They are not copied. This is not something that I know before I visit the Blue Mosque in Herat. The Blue Mosque became famous because of the handmade blue and turquoise tile, the massive courtyard and the prayer hall. Let's go to visit the tile factory, the famous factory that's still producing tile using the Timurid era technique, which is still practicing today. This is the Ghurid entrance with the remains of the Ghurid inscription from 12 to 1201. In 1221, Genghis Khan conquered the area along with much of the Herat, and the mosque fell into ruins. This is the area that survived 800 years of war, demolition, and earthquake. Here is the entrance to the world-famous tile factory from the Timurid era. This place is so simple. I felt like I was back to the 14th or 15th century. It was great that the employee let me hold it, and I can feel the weight. It's quite heavy, and I like the color very much. Oh, this is beautiful. Very beautiful.
این رنگا قبل از
Original. Ah, original. Ah, very
این رنگ از
nice.
اکساید مس ساخته میشه.
Ah,
Inside copper. He says.
یعنی اکساید مسه.
This is the color of
Yeah.
Genghis.
the color. Ah,
این همون رنگ
brownish.
فیروزه‌ای از این ساخته میشه.
brown, brown.
It is made from this, the turquoise color.
Oh, the turquoise color. Ah. This is the color. Herat is famous for tile making for over 8th century, which is 800 years, reaching the peaks during the Timurid period. Herat was the former capital of the Timurid Empire, from Baghdad in the west to Delhi in the east. However, today it's only a handful of artists are skilled in crafting like this tile, and they are concerned that it might be gone one day. Yeah.
Okay, so the meaning is totally that to you, it is the poem from
Yeah.
the Khaja Abdullah Ansari shrine. From Khaja Abdullah, he was a really famous poet from Herat, and he says that try to use the most from the life that you have, and he's in his poem he's calling everyone, like those who are young and those who had like old. He's calling it that way. Say using the most from your life.
Using
you
the
are
most.
valuable.
You are valuable. Oh, I like that. Very, very good message. That's what all this means.
Yes.
What makes this tile factory outstanding is each stage of the tile production progress is completed without using any machinery, unlike similar workshop in some other country. Let's take a look at this artist. He has to do everything from the ink to the drawing, painting by himself one by one. It is really amazing to see such a simple workshop can create such a beautiful art. The process begins by sketching the desired pattern on paper. I like the stainless steel ruler on the table. I use those in school too. Accidentally, I saw a small little room. I like to see what it is. Getting into another room to see the tile. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Now we are getting to the second department of the tile factory. We will see the special tool they are used to cut the tile. Everything is smooth with the file. The pieces are joined together using plaster or cement.
They do all the curving in this part.
In this part, the curve. Ah, the design. Oh, the design. Oh, wow, that's like a flower. Oh, there's a design map. I mean the maps. Ah, all right.
They will do all
The whole. Ah,
curving.
V. Talk, talk, talk. Ah.
60 to 70 years that they are doing this job.
70 years for them. Wow.
60 to 70.
60 to 70. So long time.
Yes. Also
Very
they
skillful.
learned it from their ancestors.
The grandfather, the father.
They
Ah,
kept going.
keep going.
بازاری استادای کشیسازی ما اینا
With the towel. Very nice. Ah, this one is that one. That's the flower.
Yeah, it says.
Beautiful. Look at all this. Look at all this. Ah. Very skillful. Yeah, very good. Yeah.
You're welcome here in our street.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Thank you.
What's your name? What's
Call.
your name? Call.
Yes. As you can see, the artists here are very friendly. They welcome you and they like to know your names and like to chit chat with you. I'm glad I have a chance to visit the tile factory. Right now, it makes me appreciate the Blue Mosque even more. As I'm leaving the mosque, I see a lot of children hanging out. Some adults are praying and some Taliban are watching you. I enjoy looking at the tile one last time before I leave the Blue Mosque. It is really beautiful. Now we are leaving the Blue Mosque. Thank you so much for watching. I would like to share a legend with you in the next episode. We are at the bridge and there's a legend here saying that two sisters built the bridge from two eggs. I found a cute Afghan baby. It's time to say goodbye to Herat. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and leave me a comment. Thank you so much.